Hey CS50, this is Khwahish Daudani. I live in Ahmedabad of Gujarat state in India. I am 15 years old. My project, this is my final project, and my project name is Chessish. It's basically a chess game with basic rules of chess. I mean, I have added all the rules of chess, almost each and every rule, like an game. So I had used PyCharm to run my program named Chessish. I learned to install Python and Pygame from YouTube and some websites on Google, and I even learned to program Pygame from YouTube channels of different people. So this is a glance of my code which I used to make just the chessboard without moves. Like I have not added any functions in this code. It was just a normal chessboard, but it was the first time. So this is a screenshot of the first code I used. Then I added some more codes in this file to make the chess game. So now I will show you my little screen recording video of my Pygame Chessish. Here I am showing you how to do check and mate, and then it tells that black wins by check and mate. So now I'm showing to how it also kills pieces like this. This is the next part that will come with is showing that it can kill the pieces. And now let me show you castling. Yes, here it is my this much program, and this is my final project. Thank you for watching. Bye.